Hello, good morning everyone. And to this video, we have another topic to discuss again. Warning signs that you are being used by others. So kung ikaw ba ay ginagamit na ng ibang tao, you are being used by others. So these signs ay ibibigay natin sa inyo. Number one signs is they demand your attention all the time while not giving you any. So that means this is a classic user sign and is among the easiest to spot early on. The person using you will demand that you prioritize their needs at all times, making you feel like you are owed them or that they deserve it. Diba? When it's the time for you to ask or want them to pay attention to you, however, they disconnect you and become difficult to engage with. Next, or when they pay attention to you, it's because they need something. They need something. Users will make a big deal out of paying attention to you, if only to make sure that you will remember they did this grand gesture for you. They always approach your interactions from an angle. Every situation is an opportunity to make a bargaining chip they can use on you later on. Remember, pay attention not only to these instances of being nice to you, but also to when they turn off this nice mood and go back to ignoring you. You'll find that most likely that switch happens as soon as they get what they want. Number three, and next, they often ask for little favors. Oftentimes, these little favors are, in fact, not little at all. They entail a lot of work on your part. And sometimes, the favor actually puts you in a comparison or in a compromising position. They, however, depict it as being a minor request to pressure you into doing it for them. Otherwise, they will guilt trip for you for not accommodating when they ask you to. What they're really doing though is putting your reliability sorry, and thus your contributions to the relationship in question. If you can't do this simple thing for them, what more if it's a major situation? Will they be able to count you to them? Next, their support for you depends on what they can gain from it. There's an office event coming up, but you don't feel like going. Suddenly, they show great interest and reassure you that they will be there to support you. And truth, it could be that they're only there to make the most of out your networks as well, so that they can gain something from it too. Next, they convince you to take steps in your career that would benefit them. There's an opportunity for promotion at work, but you're feeling hesitant to throw your hat in the ring because you don't feel ready, or you know what the role entails and you don't want to subject yourself to unnecessary added stress. Next, the conversation is always about them. They make ask about how your day went, but your son see that they're barely listening to what you're saying anyway. Either that they'll somehow find a way to make the conversation about them. Being used does not only refer to material things, it can also pertain to emotional use and self-absorbed. Conversations are major warning for that. Next, they gaslight you to cover up for their faults. Remember, no matter how much you try to explain why they are at fault, they will find ways to turn the tables on you and make it appear like it's on you. In the end, it's going to be another thing that you owe them for. Next, they impose a lot of requirements on you in the relationship. Relationships are supposed to be at a two-way street, but not when it comes to them. The rules set in your relationship are mostly for his benefit. Look closer and you'll realize that most of the adjustments expected are supposed to come for you. Next, they try to control how you act, speak later on, and even how you think. It would better suit their ends to have you easily agree or submit their wants. This becomes a lot easier for them when they are able to control your thoughts and actions. The manipulation will start subtle, di ba? Perhaps by telling you that they prefer seeing you looking a certain way because it makes them look and feel good about themselves. They'll they make it about or they will make it out to be more like a compliment, but actually it's about or it's just another back a handed way to force you to do things their way. Next, decisions are only negotiable if it suits them. Users are very good at manipulating situations to the point that they can lead you to believe a decision was your idea when in fact it was theirs. Diba? If you try to counter the decision or put it up for a decisions, they will immediately shut it down or refuse to engage. But if they want to bend the decision to their favor, then having a discussion about it is immediately necessary. Next, they disregard, deny your boundaries. Users are so self-absorbed that they don't even care that you've set up boundaries for your own wellness. Did you block off your early evening so can practice yoga or meditation after a long work day? It doesn't matter. You should be able or you should be available to them 24/7 or whenever they feel like it. Are you going out with your friends on the weekend and you specifically requested to go alone so you can focus on your friends? They'll invite you or they invite themselves over if need be. Your friends can be their friends too. After all, and this network of yours is just another resource they can use to gain themselves. Next, you don't feel the give and take in the relationship. If your feeling is telling you that this is not an equal relationship, then it's probably is not, isn't. Diba? You would know best when you're not getting what you deserve out of the time you're spending with someone. If you spend more time trying to please them so they will stay with you, or so that they will hopefully reciprocate all the good things you're doing to them. But to no avail, then this relationship is clearly imbalanced and puts you at a clear disadvantage. Next, they prioritize their friends over you. Ay, ganon. You think you'd be their priority, but the truth is they're only available because their friends are not. Otherwise, they would be too inclined to spend time with you on their own violation or on their own violation. Unless, of course, it is because they need something from you. Diba? Thank you so much everyone for joining us today. So our dog is sleeping while we are discussing. Look at the dog. Yeah, all right. He's sleeping right now because our topic is very absolutely absolute. Sorry. next time. Bye-bye!